him out and around. And I'll probably move him in a smidge just so you have a little bit more room there. Then swing him around so that so you're not caught doing this, getting him around. Same goes for down here. When you get him down here, he has to be exactly the way you found him. So his head's got to be behind the line, nice and tucked in like that. So if you get him that his head's out here, you have to get down, and you saw Wendy do it, you got to get down and push from the shoulders and push him that way. You can't grab him by the feet and pull him. So if you can, don't start to turn him until you're behind it. Then he will be, and then you actually pull him up to the line. And then you don't have to bother getting down and pushing him. Once he's here and you've got him here, so he's where you want him, walk your body right down over top of him. So take down like this and go. He's exactly the way you found him. They'll stop the watch. So when you're ready, on your mark, get set, go. Around the wall to the far pylon. Around the pylon, onto the stairs, 2 on the way up, hit the top, 2 on the way down. Around the pylon. This time I need you to go over the wall to the far pylon, around the pylon, onto the stairs, 2 on the way up, hit the top, 2 on the way down. Around the pylon. This time I need you to go around the wall to the far pylon, over the pylon on the stairs, 2 on the way up, hit the top, 2 on the way down, around the pylon. Last time I need you to go over the wall, far pylon, around the pylon, onto the stairs, 2 on the way up, hit the top, 2 on the way down. Body control simulator, you're going to be pushing for 6. That's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. That's 6. Bring it to the center. Gently lower the weight. Arm restraint simulator. Fingers and thumbs wrapped around. Touch it together for 1. Back to the body control simulator. This time you are pulling for 6. Seated position. Arms at 90 degrees. Shuffle step only. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. Shuffle step only. 6. Bring it to the center. Gently lower the weight. Arm restraint simulator. 1 more time. Fingers and thumbs wrapped around. Touch it together. Victim relocation. You're going to drag the dummy down around the pylon. Bring him back exactly where you found him. Yep, it doesn't matter which way you go. Around the pylon. Back to the starting position. And I'm resting behind the first blue line. Okay. So you have to be able to do that in 2 minutes, 42 seconds. Leslie did it in 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay? And you can see Leslie knows what she's doing. She's done it before. Even she, I went around and she almost started to go around that far pylon. And I said that can happen. Like that's one of the things that happens. So you only need to go around the fence. It didn't help that I sort of tripped on the fence myself there at one point and I almost went over. But it's just, you just have to listen to the appraiser. We're telling you where you need to go next. It's just kind of one big movement.